To begin, open the X app on your phone. Tap on your account icon from the top left corner. A menu list will appear. Select Settings and Support. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Swipe up to go down. And select Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Then go to Display. Here you will see the option, Dark Mode. Tap on it. If you select Use Device Settings, X will switch to dark mode whenever your system settings are set to dark mode. To enable dark mode permanently, select on here. And the dark mode will be activated immediately. Under the dark theme section, you can choose between dim and lights out. Choose the one which is suitable to you. So in this way, you can activate dark mode on the X app.